Do you struggle to give updates or ask questions clearly at work? In this video, you'll learn simple, professional English to handle daily office situations confidently.
Business English, giving updates, asking questions in office problems. Episode 14, Part 2.
Let's start with something you do every day at work, giving a work update.
Scenario Module 1, Giving Updates, Core Lesson.
Instruction only. Clear examples.
Common learner problem.
Many learners say, work finished. I do task. Meaning is clear, but English sounds weak.
Professional update phrases.
Use these clear and polite sentences. 1. I've completed the task. 2. I'm currently working on it. 3. The project is almost finished. 4. I'll update you soon. 5. There's been some progress.
Model examples. I've completed the task. I'm currently working on the report. The project is almost finished.
Grammar insight built in. Notice the tense. I've completed. I'm working. These tenses show progress and status.
Micro practice updates. Say this out loud. I'm currently working on it. I'll update you soon.
Transition to next scenario.
Now let's move to another important office skill, asking questions politely.
Scenario Module 2. Asking questions at work.
Common learner mistake.
Learners often say, what you want. Explain again. Too direct.
Polite question English.
Use these professional questions. 1. Could you please clarify this? 2. I have a question about this. 3. Could you explain this again? 4. Just to confirm. 5. May I ask a question?
Model examples. Could you please clarify this? Just to confirm, the deadline is Friday. May I ask a question?
Grammar insight built in. Polite questions often start with could you, with may I. This keeps English respectful.
Micro practice questions. Repeat. Could you please clarify this? Just to confirm.
Penultimate segment, summary and review.
Let's review the key phrases from Part 2. I've completed the task. I'm currently working on the update. I'll update you soon. Could you please clarify this? Just to confirm. Say any three out loud now.
Dedicated speaking practice, interactive.
Answer out loud. 1. Your manager asks for progress. What do you say? 2. You don't understand something. How do you ask? Pause. Speak clearly. No long sentences needed.
Great work! You just handled updates and questions professionally. Like this video, share it with a coworker or friend, subscribe to Miss Grammar.
Next part, EP-14, Part 3, Deadlines, Problems, and Confident Work English.